Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we're going to look for First Anglo-Mysore War in brief. In today's video, we'll learn about the First Anglo-Mysore War fought between Haidar Ali and the British East India Company from 1767 to 1769. We will discuss its causes, major events, Treaty of Madras, and its importance in Indian history. So without wasting our time, let's begin. First Anglo-Mysore War 1767 to 1769. The First Anglo-Mysore War was fought between the British East India Company and Mysore under Haidar Ali. The causes of these wars are: after gaining success in Bengal, the British wanted to expand in South India. In the year 1766, the British signed a treaty with the Nizam of Hyderabad and obtained the northern Circars. The British promised to protect the Nizam from Haidar Ali. Haidar Ali had disputes with Nawab of Arcot and the Marathas. Triple Alliance against Mysore. The British, the Nizam of Hyderabad, and the Marathas formed an alliance against Haidar Ali. Haidar Ali's diplomacy. Haidar Ali used clever diplomacy. He won over the Nizam and made him his ally. He paid the Marathas to stay neutral. This isolated the British. Course of the war. Fierce battles were fought in the Carnatic region. Haidar Ali proved to be a capable military leader. In the year 1769, he advanced close to Madras and forced the British to seek peace. Treaty of Madras in the year 1769. The war ended with the Treaty of Madras. Terms of the treaty: conquered territories were returned, prisoners of war were exchanged, both sides agreed to help each other if attacked by another power. Importance: the war showed the strength of Mysore under Haidar Ali. It checked British expansion in South India. For some time, British failure to later help Haidar Ali against the Marathas became a cause of Second Anglo-Mysore War. So this video was complete explanation of First Anglo-Mysore War. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more history videos and exam notes. Thank you for watching.